Hello viewers, today we will discuss concept of sample space. In probability theory, the sample space of a random experiment is the set of all possible outcomes of the experiment. The sample space is the key concept in probability and provides the foundation for assigning probabilities to events. Each element in the sample space represents an outcome of the experiment. The sample space can be finite, such as the set of numbers rolled on a fair die, or infinite, such as the set of all possible weather conditions in a city. The sample space is used to define events which are subsets of the sample space. The probability of an event is a measure of the likelihood of that event occurring and is defined as the ratio of the number of favorable outcomes to the total number of possible outcomes in the sample space. The probabilities of all events in a sample space must sum to 1, reflecting the fact that one of the possible outcomes must occur in every experiment.